gave you a sneak peek last episode. This is our new Dixie Chopper, aptly named Dixie. Let's get started. Maybe this season we would do a little bit of a comparison and try to articulate some of the differences between a zero turn and Vinny and our tractor mount mowers. Now, in spite of the fact that I was the zero turn ice racing league champion for this year, I don't have much zero turn experience. I guess that shows just how bad the challengers were. Mike Morgan, Josh from Stony Ridge, should I really say you guys were that bad? I don't know. But zero turn experience is not the top of my list. But hey, I'll learn just like anybody else.
I don't think I can keep up with him.
You know, Christy, I'm tempted. You know what I'm tempted about?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what it is. I'm going to try it.
Oh, my. Ah! Sorry, Dixie. Wow. Yeah.
I'm not sure whether that was a good idea or not.
I'm not sure either.
Maybe it's a one direction thing.
Yeah. The wind's blowing pretty hard today.
I think I'll give it a new name, the Dixie Corn Chopper.
I don't think that's what it was made for.
Look at it go. World's fastest lawnmower, they say.
Wow, it is fast. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Hopefully you can tell why I decided to only go one direction. The wind was blowing it right back over me. It was, yeah, not very pleasant. It's a Kawasaki engine. I have no idea what the horsepower rating is. Of course, by the time you see this, the horsepower rating will be listed right here. All I can say is there's plenty of power for corn stalks. For those of you that wanted to buy a zero turn for your corn stalks, this one will be fine. Okay, time to get a little bit more serious. This is a 72-inch cut. It's a higher end Dixie chopper. A lot of you have been debating, do I want to mow with my tractor or do I want to have a separate zero turn? I don't think that's as easy an answer as some folks like to make it. So maybe throughout the course of this season, we can help you just kind of work your way through that. First thing I would say is that this is not going to be apples to apples from a cost comparison with the mower deck on your tractor, right? Mower decks for tractors are very expensive, probably in the $3,000 to $5,000 range given inflation. But this one's going to be a lot more because this is a higher end machine. A lot of people say, well, spend that $5,000 or $4,000, whatever, on a zero turn and use that instead of your tractor. Well, you're not going to get a nice zero turn for $4,500, $4,000, $5,000, whatever. You're not going to get a nice suspension seat like this. Not only is this a top end suspension seat, below it, the steel that it's mounted to is even isolated. There are rubber isolators over here. So it's got actually two levels of, you might say, insulation or isolation from the actual rough ride of the chassis itself. So, you know, this is just going to be a different machine. You're just going to have to say, well, am I willing to spend extra to have both a tractor and a high-end zero turn? Or can I get by with just a tractor? I think that's a fair question. We'll try to help with that. I'm not ready to provide the answer yet. In fact, I don't know that there is a single answer, but maybe we can help provide you some insight. Say, we do want to thank the folks at Dixie Chopper for letting us use this mower, at least for this season. I don't know how long we'll keep it, but at least for this season we get to use it, so it won't be just a one-time thing. We'll be able to have, hopefully I'll call myself a good zero-turn operator by the end of the season, or else Christy will. Let's see how it goes. I'll have trouble getting her off of Vinny, so I have a feeling I'll be the zero-turn operator.
I want to try it though.
No more corn stalks for a little while here. Why'd you suggest I get out in the corn stalks, Christy?
I didn't.
Oh.
That was you.
That's what I thought I heard.
That's all you.
Sorry, Dixie.
I'm gonna go back and mow. You know, I can go so fast that I don't have to mow too long. I thought I was going around the wet spot, but I still hit it.
Oh, it's really wet there. Been a really wet spring here. That part of the yard always lays wet. Whoa! Good grief. He's a speed demon.
Wow, it's still cutting even going that fast. I'm impressed. Rough. So it'll be a good test of this suspension. Trimmer kept wanting to fall down, so there's a little latch that I can fold down on it to keep it from doing that. So that's what I did. It's almost too wet to mow here. Not on the hillside, but down here in the low part. This machine is very wide, feels very stable. No, she's not speeding up the camera. I'm really going that fast. It's still cutting too.
Oops. Guess I should get further away from him, eh?
driving one of the high-end John Deere Zero Turns at my friend Steve's house. You saw that in an episode last year, maybe the year before. The comfort of this machine is comparable to that. I think it may be the same seat. I'm actually surprised that I can go this fast without jarring my teeth. That's flat out right there. Whoa! And I think that may be in low range. That's the goofy part. I'm not sure it was cutting everything that time.
Messing up the yard. I don't know if I'll be able to go as straight as he does.
Christy, that didn't take long.
No, it didn't.
Unbelievable. He's done a good job, too. Hey, Christy, my question for you is, are you going to pay me the same amount to mow the yard that you've been paying me?
Sure.
That'll be a good deal because I'll do it a lot faster.
Yeah. Well, since you don't get paid for it.
Oh. Oh, well.
Yeah. You did kind of mess up the yard.
No. That's artistry.
No.
Yeah, there's some artistic talent to do that.
I don't call that talent. I call him that mowing when it's too wet. And look, you've got Dixie all dirty.
Yeah, well, you can wash her. You'll have plenty of time.
You have to wash her. You're the one who got her all dirty. But she does mow fast.
Yeah. She does mow fast. You know, one manufacturer says it's not how fast you mow. Well, sometimes it is how fast you mow.
It takes us a long time to mow with the tractors, I will say that.
I hope you're gonna look forward to this as we learn more about it. I might let you drive it after a while.
Thank you. I do want to give her a whirl.
What?
I want to give her a whirl. Why don't you take these off when the engine stops?
Well, because I don't need to. They're aware. These are the ISOtunes Link Aware.
So you're aware when I'm talking?
Yeah, in fact, it actually magnifies your talking. The only reason I can't hear you clearly is because the wind is blowing against the little microphones.
Oh.
And I'm getting that wind sound that you sometimes hear in our microphones, right?
Okay.
So they need the little cat fur like we have on our mics on there. ISOtunesaudio.com. Use code TTWT for a 10% discount. I really like these because we can hear. I don't have to take them off and on.
Yeah.
I can hear, and then when there's something loud happens, like a clap, it blocks it out, or the engine of the mower, it blocks it out. So they're on when they need to be and off when they don't.
Can you still listen to a podcast?
Now, you'll have to talk louder than that with the wind.
Can you listen to a podcast?
Oh, yeah. I can listen to it. That's why I can't hear her, is because I'm listening to a podcast. And remember, this does have the auto wife tune-out feature. We've discussed at length. So you just set that mode and yeah, it's pretty much like normal, like I've always said.
You're gonna sleep with a cat again tonight.
Folks, I hope you've enjoyed this. We got to get the rest of this mowing done. I think we may have to get Vinny out.
Yeah, I think so.
To help us because, yeah, we got several acres here. But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. He makes grass grow for the cattle and plants for people to cultivate, bringing forth food from the earth.
I'm not sure our audio system's going to be perfect in the wind either.
Yeah, I mean, it's really hard when the wind's whipping by a microphone like that. Oh, the camera's gonna fall over. Speaking of wind,
Yeah.
the wind just about blew the camera over.